Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to choose a hero on Dota 2. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. From the main homepage, go ahead and select the Heroes tab at the top of the screen. From the list, select the hero you'd like to change to. Give it a click and you'll end up in the profile for that character. Now, once you select the player, click on the Play Dota button at the bottom right. Click on Find a Match and it is now finding a match for you to play with. On the next page, you can go ahead and choose a hero you'd like to change to and click it on. Now click on this lock button in order to confirm your hero and wait until the timer runs out and you'll be able to play with the hero that you've selected. That is how you can easily choose a hero on Dota 2. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.